Dr. Miller and his staff are always more welcoming than a lot of the other practices that I've been to in the past. That was the first thing that actually drew me to his offices. He's very informative. He always lets you know what's going on, what the best practice is going to be to remedy what is going on with my mouth, and gives me all the options that I can to choose, rather. More than anything, I think with myself, I've always had a bad time at taking care of my mouth, and they've just gotten me on a good regimen of good hygiene, getting in on a regular basis, making sure I do the things to make sure that my smile is something that I'm happy with on a regular basis. If you want a doctor who truly cares about you, isn't in it just for themselves or trying to wow you with technology, but more making sure that you're genuinely happy with your smile, that's the type of doctor that you're going to want to go to is Dr. Miller. It's a place where you never feel like you're just another number. You're actually invited in and welcomed and have a name.